Dear children, welcome to today's class. Today's topic is isomerism. Compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers and the phenomenon is called isomerism. So organic compounds having the same molecular formula but their structural formula are different. Such compounds are known as isomers. Isomers means compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Such compounds are called isomers and the phenomenon is called isomerism. All of you know about molecular formula. Molecular formula represents one molecule of that compound and from that molecular formula we can understand the actual number of atoms of each element present in that compound. Let us see what is a structural formula. The formula that shows how atoms of different elements are linked together in a molecule is known as structural formula. The formula that shows how atoms of different elements are linked together in a molecule. So from the structural formula we can understand the bonding between each atoms. That is known as a structural formula. So compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers and the phenomenon is called isomerism. Here you can see the structural formula of some compounds. See here the molecular formula of methane is written. Its structural formula is like this: C bond H bond H bond H then again bond H. Okay, so this represents the structural formula of methane. And the same way, the structural formula of ethane, the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. The structural formula of ethane is shown here. So, here what do you understand from the structural formula? Here it is shown that the bond between, you can see the covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen and also the bond between carbon and carbon are shown. And the structural formula of propane, the molecular formula C3H8, here you can see the structural formula. Then butane, that also is shown, the structural formula is shown here. And here you can see the condensed structural formula of butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here condensed structural formula is a formula in which the bond between carbon and carbon is shown. Carbon and hydrogen is not shown. Here you can see the structural formula of, again you can see the structural formula of isobutane, that is CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay. So structural formula means the formula which represents or which shows the actual bonding between or the correct bonding between each carbon atom, the linkage between carbon atom and also the linkage between carbon and other atoms like hydrogen. There are two main causes of isomerism. The first one is difference in the mode of linking of atoms. The second one is difference in the arrangement of atoms or groups in space. Now let us study the isomerism in alkanes. Let us see the isomers of butane. You can see the isomers of butane. Butane, the molecular formula is C4H10. Butane shows two isomers, namely normal butane or N-butane and the second one is isobutane. The structural formulae are given here. Normal butane or N-butane, the structural formula you can see. This is the structural formula of normal butane. The second one is isobutane. Isobutane or its IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane. That also is shown here. So butane shows two isomers, normal butane and isobutane or 2-methyl propane. Let us study the isomers of pentane. The molecular formula of pentane is C5H12. Pentane shows three isomers, namely normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane. Let us see the three isomers of pentane. The first one is normal pentane or N-pentane. Here you can see the structural formula of normal pentane with 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen atoms. Each carbon atom is attached with a single bond, and carbon to hydrogen bond also you can see single covalent bond. This is the structure of normal pentane or N-pentane. Next we can see the other two isomers of pentane, namely isopentane and neopentane. This is isopentane. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Here the condensed structural formula is only shown. While you write the structural formula, you have to show the bonds between carbon and hydrogen also. The IUPAC name of isopentane is 2-methylbutane. The next isomer of pentane is, the next one is neopentane. The next isomer is neopentane, that is CH3, 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 CH3. Its common name is neopentane and its IUPAC name is 2,2-dimethylpropane. So these three are the isomers of pentane. Pentane shows three isomers, namely normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane. All the three isomers will be having the same molecular formula, that is C5H12. Then how do they differ? They differ in the arrangement of atoms. So they have different structural formula. Even though they have the same molecular formula, they have different structural formula. Today we learnt about isomerism. I hope you understood the lesson. Let us wind up for the time being. Thank you.